Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on dividing a unit fraction by a whole number, or a whole number divided by a unit fraction. Let's go ahead and get started so you can see what I'm talking about. A recipe uses 1/4 cup of sugar per batch. If Elijah has 3 cups of sugar, how many batches can he make? So what you're starting off is with 3 cups, and you're going to divide it by 1/4. So what I like to tell my students is, you're actually asking how many fourths are in 3 wholes. So I'm going to draw some tiles. I will draw 3 tiles to represent what Elijah has, which is 3 cups of sugar. In the first cup, you'll find 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4, because it takes 4 fourths to make up 1 whole. So in the first cup of sugar, he can make 4 batches. And then the next, it's going to be the same. So it'll be 4, 4, and 4. So 3 divided by 1/4, or how many 1/4 are in 3, is actually 12. All right, let's go to the next one. Jarrell has half a birthday cake left. So that's what he's starting with. He's going to share it with Charlie, Adrian, and Braylon. How much of Jarrell's birthday cake would Charlie get? So the actual expression would be half, and we're dividing by 3 because it's Charlie, Adrian, and Braylon. Now I'm going to want you to visualize it, so I'll draw a cake or draw a fraction bar, and it'll be half. This is all Jarrell has left. He's going to share it. So what I'm going to do is, if I had a paper, I would ask you to rotate your paper 90 degrees and cut it twice, because that'll give you 3 parts. So this first part is actually Charlie. The second piece Adrian gets, and the third piece Braylon gets. But we only care about what Charlie gets. So Charlie gets 1 out of 6. 1/6 of the entire cake. This tends to be a little harder for kids. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.